Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Ever found yourself needing to access multiple WhatsApp accounts on one device? Well, technically, WhatsApp allows only one account per device. But fear not. In this detailed video, I'll guide you through a workaround to use dual WhatsApp on your iPhone. Let's dive in. At times, you might need to manage two separate WhatsApp accounts on your mobile device. WhatsApp's policy typically permits only one account per phone, lacking a built-in feature for easy account switching. While you might come across third-party dual messenger apps online, be cautious. These apps could potentially violate WhatsApp's terms of service, risking suspension of your accounts. I recommend a safer approach, installing both WhatsApp Messenger and WhatsApp Business apps from the official App Store, or if you haven't already. First things first. Download WhatsApp Messenger if you haven't. And WhatsApp Business from the respective app stores if they're not already on your device. Upon installation, sign into WhatsApp Messenger with one of your numbers and WhatsApp Business with the other. If your primary number is already associated with WhatsApp Messenger, use a secondary number for WhatsApp Business. In my case, my WhatsApp Messenger is already set up. So I'm heading over to WhatsApp Business. Open WhatsApp Business. And agree to the terms and conditions. When prompted, choose to use a different number than the one associated with WhatsApp Messenger. Enter your mobile number and follow the verification process. Set up your business name, category, and other preferences as needed. Now, you can conveniently access two separate WhatsApp accounts on the same device without violating any terms of service. So that's all about it. Thanks for tuning in. Feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Your feedback is appreciated. Don't forget to hit the like button and, more importantly, subscribe for future updates. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.